Hey guys, it's Fire32 and I'm back with another video. As you can see, I do have a different pull station now. This is the Bosch FMM 7045-D. It is a new pull station that I just got. I still have my Gentex Commander 3 up. However, I do have it set on Code 3 horn, which is cool. Means it can't settle off for that long. So if I want to pull the fire alarm, I'm immediately going to go to my panel here and silence it. So without further ado, let's just get this started. All right. You can see I do have the 1538 key, the 1358 keys already uses. All right. And now I'm going to use that emergency shut off just to show you. Shoot from this angle. There's me. All right.